Everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Match Betting Chronicles. So, I haven't done correct score dutching for a long time, and I've missed doing that. I wanted to get back into it, and I thought I'd start with a nice, easy match tonight, but it hasn't worked out that way, unfortunately. So, I'll just talk you through this one. After profiling this match, I thought there's not much chance of Valencia winning it. I did think it would be a low scoring match in Bilbao's favour. But I knew there was a danger that, when these two teams play each other, it can sometimes be fireworks. But based on sort of recent form, I thought it would be a low scoring one. Just in case, I did cover the 2-2 pre match. Now, it did go against me because I only covered the 1-0 in favour of Valencia, and I had 1-1 covered, but I did not have any other score lines for Valencia, so no 2-0, no 2-1. So with Valencia scoring so early in the game, that was a bit of a blow, okay? Not a good start. Originally, I didn't cover 0-0. I didn't think it would be a 0-0 based on recent form. So I did cover 1-0 Bilbao, 2-0, 3-0, this 1-0 and 1-1, and a 3-1. But what I did is, obviously after the early goal, I was losing this trade, probably like offering me minus 25 cash out on a £50 stake. So after that goal, I had to put some money on 2-1 to Bilbao and 2-1 to Valencia, for a bit of safety. But even then, it was still a bit risky. It took my risk up to £65, but it allows me to stay in the game for a bit longer. And at the moment, I can get out of this for a £3.11 loss. A little bit tempted, but I think because I've got this 3-1 covered, I've got a bit of playroom here. And what I can do is lay off this 1-1 scoreline. If I put about £9 in there, that's going to give me an extra £9 on any other scoreline. So if it is 3-1, I'll now be winning £31 instead of 22. But obviously, if it finishes 1-1, I'll just have a scratch trade. But then what I could do as well is back the 3-1 to Valencia, odds of 21. So if I put maybe a £5 stake, and yeah, I'll be getting £43 if it finishes 3-1. And obviously, if it's 2-1 to either side, it's just pretty much like a scratch trade. So I did ride my luck a little bit because after the Bilbao goal went in on 30 minutes, if I show you the sofa score, where are we? Let's find that game. Okay. So we can see that we should be able to see the momentum. Yeah, I mean, Valencia looked like they're the team attacking the most. Just before halftime, they were really, really heavily attacking, and I did think maybe I should cash out, but I did think if I can make it to halftime, I'll be in a pretty good position, and hoping for the 3-1 to come in later. I think we should be able to see their stats. Yep. So they're expecting, Valencia are leading and expecting goals. They've had less possession, but look, 9 shots, 3 on target, and obviously the away team has only had 3 shots and 1 on target. So far I've misprofiled this game, but hopefully I can still come away with either a scratch trade or a profit. So I'm just going to make sure I do that now. So yep, £5 on the 3-1 to Valencia. Let's get that in, and £9 laying the 1-1 scoreline. Okay, it's gone to 3 point. I'll try for 3.45, see if I can get that matched. Okie dokie. Oh, wait a minute. That does leave me, because of the £5 free bet, not free bet, the £5 bet on the free one, I am now losing if it finishes 1-1. So maybe I'll put that £8 instead, or £7.50. Yep, okay. I'll put that in the market. Okay, so that is one example of how we can do correct score Dutching when it goes wrong. But as long as you have some playroom, basically. Luckily, I had that 3-1 covered earlier on, or I'd probably be wanting to cash out already. It's a hard market to crack, this one. So if you are new to it, do start with low stakes. Thanks for listening, everyone, and I'll see you next time.